Rabbi Chanina ben Dosa Omer, anyone whose fear of sin is yirat shamayim, takes precedence over his wisdom, over his chokhmah. It's more important to him to be afraid of HaShem, have yirat shamayim, than his knowledge in Torah. First yirat shamayim, then Torah. He says his wisdom will endure. That's real Torah. That Torah is real Torah. But anyone whose wisdom takes precedence over their fear of sin, anyone that says, no, I read a lot of books, just not yirat shamayim. I know all the books by heart. I know all the halachot by heart. I know all the books by heart. I know this one and that one, and I can quote you secular books and non-secular books, and this book and that book. I can tell you all the details about art. I can tell you all the details about history. I can tell you 15 different languages, everything. Yirat shamayim, no, that's not for me. It says that To'avat Hashem. That Torah is not Torah. It's not Torah. It's not Torah. Now, who is this Rabbi Chanina that is saying this? Why should we listen to him? Is Rabbi Chanina like any rabbi today? Okay, he was poor. There's a lot of poor people today. So the Gemara, Masechet Ta'anit, page 25, says a bunch of different stories. And also Brachot, page 33. Bunch of stories about Rabbi Chanina ben Dosa. Each story is better than the other. In so many words, you see that the life of Rabbi Chanina ben Dosa was a life full of miracles. Miracles to us, nature to him. Meaning, to us we look at it, it's like, oh, it's miraculous. How is this even happening? To him it was normal. This is the way it's supposed to be. When his daughter made a mistake and she switched, instead of oil, she put vinegar. She bought vinegar to light the Shabbat candles. Famous story, Masechet Ta'anit. She started being upset. He's like, my dear, why are you so upset? She goes, I made a mistake. I filled up the canister that's supposed to be for Nerot Shabbat with vinegar, not oil. So we're not going to have candles for Shabbat. So Shabbat's about to come in. So Rabbi Chanina says, my dear, why are you so worried? The same God that decided that the oil is something to burn fire for Shabbat will decide that the vinegar will be oil to burn for Shabbat. What's different to him? This one's liquid, that one's liquid. This one is creation, this one is his creation. To you it's different, to him it's the same thing. His belief was to that extent. She went, she lit, worked perfectly. There's nothing changed. This one lit fire, this one lit fire. Go try to light vinegar. Good luck. Go try to light some vinegar. Go tell your wife, honey, I brought you special oil for Shabbat. She'll throw you out before Shabbat. Go back to the store. Am Yisrael had a deadly snake, some say, or something, a reptile in the town. It was killing people. But they didn't know how to catch it. So they went and they told Rabbi Chanina. So Rabbi Chanina says, tell me where he is. Where is this reptile? He said, he's over here, he's in this hole. So Rabbi Chanina, what would you do? In a hole, what do you do? You put a trap, you wait there, get a machete in your hand, a spear in the other hand, get ready for the guy to come out, and you kill him. If you're a hunter, me, I stand and watch you. I'm scared. You're brave. Rabbi Chanina is different. What Rabbi Chanina did? He put his leg inside the hole. He put his leg inside the hole, waiting for this thing to bite him. It bit him and died. The snake bit Rabbi Chanina and the snake died. He takes it out of the hole, dead. He shows here. This is to show all of you that it's not the snake that kills people. The sin kills people. Meaning, I didn't sin, he says. So why would the snake kill me? You that died, you didn't die because of the snake. HaShem just used the snake as a tool. He just used the snake as a tool. I didn't sin. So he's not going to kill me. He's going to die. He's going to die. I'm not going to die. I didn't sin, he says. If anybody died, it's because you're a sinner. The sin kills, not the snake.